Hello, all. Every one of us, at some point, being an electronics engineer, would have logged into SnapEDA and used their component, right? Worldwide, electronics circuit design engineers and PCB layout engineers depend on SnapEDA for getting the symbols, right? So, very useful website and especially for the electronic components. Now, SnapEDA is taking a new shape, and now SnapEDA is called SnapMagic. Okay, SnapMagic is basically, as they mention in their website, it's a AI Copilot for electronics design. So again, artificial intelligence, another AI-based circuit design tool in the market, and this time from SnapEDA, well-known SnapEDA. So what we can expect from this SnapMagic and especially this AI-based design? You can see auto completion of circuits. They've given a simple scenario. Drop a microcontroller onto the circuit and SnapMagic Copilot just suggests the decoupling capacitors for you. That's what the AI is going to do in the background. And then natural language for designs. So natural language means the language that we speak, right? So you just instruct your tool, the PCB tool, which is part of this SnapMagic, in English. Like example, you can see what they are saying is requesting a non-inverting amplifier with gain of 2, and SnapMagic is going to create that circuit and also create a list of orderable components. Wow, awesome, right? And then if you get in any specific IC into the SnapMagic, okay, so this SnapMagic is going to give a reference design around that particular IC. Wow, awesome, right? And then optimization with respect to BOM, that is another awesome point. And then if you want to have an alternate for your part, even that is being done by SnapMagic Copilot. So awesome features, right? So we always go to snapeda.com. Now we will go into snapmagic.com, and you can see here, use AI to auto complete circuit board designs. That's what it says. So you can see, we just placed a microcontroller and automatically the decoupling caps have been suggested for that microcontroller based on the reference designs from the particular website. Like example, if you see, here in the video, there is a NXP microcontroller that is being placed, and the tool fetched from the NXP website the recommendations and just try to fill the circuit. Wow, it saved almost an hour of time, right? You selecting a capacitor, pulling the capacitor from the library, adding. Wow, this is awesome feature, definitely, and it's going to save lot of time. And then you can see streamline micro decisions. Okay, you see, when a place when you place a capacitor, when you place a part here, it automatically suggested the capacitors, and you can see the zero point 0.1 microfarad capacitor is being suggested, and it is asking whether to place or not. Simple thing, right? So same as the one which we have seen, just another example. And optimize your BOM for um, the cost. See, once the circuit is placed, based on a simple command, You can see redesign the circuit for optimized BOM. Even that can be done. These are all awesome features from AI-based circuit design tools, right? See, and then this is these decisions are being made by linking with real-time supply chain data. Basically, the distributors that we have, DigiKey, Mouser. So this is pulling data from that particular website or the distributor's supply chain data, and it is filling. That means this is not just placing the capacitor, it's also actually trying to get the actual data from the distributors. And you can see, if you want to replace a specific part, you can see here it is being clicked, and replacement, you can see replacing a particular part is also very easy. And you can see while replacing, it is also showing us the availability of the component as well, quantity available to, shall we replace or not, and it is just replaced by a simple click. Okay, and then purchase bombs with a click. Wow. So you can directly order parts from here, and you can buy. Awesome feature, right? So overall, basically we are like making an engineer's life comfortable on the repetitive tasks that are being done by him, and all the tasks which are actually which require more thought process can be put into and importance can be laid out by the engineer on those aspects, and most of the repetitive tasks can be completed by these AI circuit design tools. We should, when we are using these AI based circuit design tools, we should be of the thought that the monotony tasks, the repetitive tasks, which the hardware engineer always used to feel bored or used to feel that their value addition is lesser, in those cases, you can definitely see that AI-based circuit design tools are going to play a very important role, and we are going to this is going to simplify the life of the hardware engineers. And then you focus on the critical aspects, design them, take your time to simulate, because the time is being saved on the simplest things possible, and especially the chances of errors here are minimized. You can say it's almost to a zero level, because it's taken from the reference design, it's being pulled out, the review time is being saved, there are little errors that are there in the circuit, and you are having a circuit which you can rely on. And also during the review, you can focus on the important aspects again, and whatever the circuits that are being pulled can be taken for granted, most of them, because even these are, if you are seeing, these are being pulled from the websites, right? The reference designs of those microcontrollers, uh, unless you want to customize specific things as per your requirement, as per your specifications, as per the environment you are using this board, unless you want that, you can use these straightforward. So another AI based circuit design tool, this time AI Copilot from the well known SnapEDA. Thank you.